I have someone really special with me. She's vibrant, and I will let her introduce herself.
Knock knock. Knock knock. Knock knock. Knock knock. नमस्ते दर्शकों. नमस्ते दर्शकों. नमस्ते दर्शकों. नमस्ते दर्शकों. मेरा नाम है सारा अली खान and I have come on India Today to talk about Rinku Suryavanshi and Atrangi Re.
Welcome to India Today Television,
Thank you.
Sara. I will first talk to you about all this Atrangi ideas. Where does all this come from? Tell me, ये नमस्ते दर्शकों हो गया, या you can, knock knock with your brother. Where do you get these ideas? This is surely not a Pataudi blood,
देखिए ब्लड की बात नहीं है, मुझे ये लगता है ना दैट आई एम अ वेरी फ्री स्पिरिटेड पर्सन, आई एम अ वेरी स्पॉन्टेनियस पर्सन. जो मेरे मन में उस वक्त आया ना मैं वो कर देती हूँ. तो अगर कुछ भी मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट स्टार्ट्स एज अ जोक और फिर लोगों को अच्छा लगता है तो मैं जोक बढ़ाती रहती हूँ. शायद कभी ज़्यादा भी हो जाता है बट एज लॉन्ग एज यू हैविंग फन आई थिंक इट्स ओके. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं बाहर बर्फ पड़ रही है किंतु हमारी माता श्री हमारे साथ गंडोला पर चढ़ रही है. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं हम आ गए हैं ऊपर. मजा आया हमें सुपर डुपर. थैंक यू वेरी मच. Mommy has been a trooper.
If I also talk about your recent Delhi visit, you were almost hijacking the auto rickshaw. You had kulfi on the streets like nobody is watching you. What is on with Sara Ali Khan?
I'll tell you something, I understand that I'm an actor and I understand all these things, but I'm also like a young girl and I like to have fun. Yesterday I took my brother to Nizamuddin for Qawwali night and there were so many people. He got nervous and he asked me in the car, he was like, and he asked me very really, he's like, Sara, why do you do this? There were so many people, we got mobbed. Why? And I said, because I liked that music. I liked sitting there and I liked watching them perform. And I love my job. I don't mind being recognized. I've worked hard for it. But it's not going to stop me living my life. I also love kulfis. I also love the dargah. I also love Bangla Sahib. I also love my mandirs. I love my gardens. I love my restaurants. Why should that stop?
Social media is flooded with your pictures, be it vacations in Kashmir or Maldives, everywhere. You also visit temples and gurudwara. But tell me one thing. You're obviously your stardom comes with a breach of privacy, if I may say so.
Yes.
How do you take the trolls and criticism? How good or bad are you with it?
I don't let it affect me. I think that as a person, I'm also my own person. तो अगर आपको मेरे छुट्टी के बारे में कुछ बोलना है या मेरे बारे में कुछ बोलना है तब मुझे ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. जैसे मेरे कपड़ों के बारे में या मेरे लुक्स के बारे में आई डोंट रियली केयर व्हाट यू थिंक. बट मुझे अपने काम के बारे में अगर कोई कुछ बोले तब मुझे फ़र्क पड़ता है. जैसे अभी अतरंगी रे रिलीज़ हो रही है. मैंने बहुत शिद्दत से, बहुत प्यार से, बहुत मेहनत से इस किरदार को निभाने की कोशिश की है. अब अगर ये लोगों के दिल तक ना पहुँचे तब मुझे बुरा लगेगा. उसके बावजूद और उसके अलावा आपका जो टेक है वो आपका टेक है एंड टू ईच देयर ओन. आई डोंट माइंड.
I saw your trailer, Atrangi Re. My God, you're just absolutely so beautiful and stunning as Rinku. You're acing it. Talk to me more about your character. How did you work on your nuances? Because you're just acing it.
I love the word that you use, nuances, because that is very important to Rinku's character. I think she's a very layered character, Like, I used to ask Anand ji also कि इस वक्त what is going on in her head, and he was like, never one thing. Because इस वक्त आपके दिमाग में कभी एक चीज़ नहीं चल रही होती है. मैं यहाँ आपके साथ खड़ी हूँ, मैं पूरी तरह आपके साथ हूँ, लेकिन मेरे दिमाग में लंच भी चल रहा है. तो वो होता रहता है. So I think doing justice to the layers of Rinku's character was the most challenging but most exciting part for me. वो बोतलें फेंक रही है, वो कह रही है बगावत भरी लड़की, जो कह रही है कि मैं 21 बार भाग चुकी हूँ ये वो, लेकिन अंदर से वो बहुत मासूम है, अंदर से वो बहुत अकेली भी है. वो ज़रूरी है.
But do you resonate with Rinku in real life?
Yes, I do. And I didn't know that, which is so interesting. अक्सर ये होता है कि आप अपने आप को अपने किरदारों में लाने की कोशिश करते हो. बहुत रेयर होता है कि आप अपने आप को अपने किरदारों में ढूंढ लेते हो. इन दोनों में फ़र्क है. जैसे मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि मेरे अंदर कितनी रिंकू है. आनंद जी के साथ मुझे पता चला. जब आनंद जी ने एक दिन मुझे कह दिया था कि यार तू तो हंसती खेलती रहती है, लेकिन मुझे पता है कि तुझे असर होता है तुझे फ़र्क पड़ता है, तेरे अंदर गंभीरता है, गहराई है, भावनाएं हैं, और तू बस नमस्ते दर्शकों करके हा ही करके हटा देती है। मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये बात सच है, कहीं ना कहीं है।
This was your first film with Akshay Kumar.
Yes.
This was your first film with Anand L. Rai, and of course Dhanush also.
Yes.
How was your experience? What did you learn out of all these stars and filmmakers? Like, it was a big film for you.
I learned everything. I learned so much. I learned professionalism, punctuality, spontaneity, excitement, and enthusiasm from Akshay sir. I learned emotion, honesty, conviction from Dhanush sir, and I learned how to love and live life truly from Anand sir.
Tell me more about the script, your love story. You got confused between choosing Dhanush and Akshay Kumar. So, in real life, what Atrangi qualities are you looking for in a person?
In real life, honestly, it's become Atrangi in today's day and age. But what I'm actually looking for is somebody to be honest and real. Or this is such a basic thing, but in today's day and age, it's honestly become Atrangi क्योंकि होता नहीं है. But I think just honesty and embrace who you are. I think, Rinku does that. Even Sara doesn't do that fully. Sara's starting to do that more. But Rinku is unabashed about embracing who she is. And I love that about her. And I would want myself, my friends, any boy, anybody that's in my life in any capacity to embody that quality.
Your brother Ibrahim is assisting Karan Johar for Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani. Do we see him making his debut? What is your feeling? Like, what is your equation with your brother?
I think that it takes a lot of hard work, and there's no definite answer to that. I know that he's a very talented boy. I know that he's a hardworking boy, and if the stars are in his favor, and if he's lucky, then he should, because he is talented and he is hardworking. But there's more than that it takes. उससे ज़्यादा लगता है. और अगर उसके नसीब में है तो इंशाल्लाह हो जाएगा.
What next for Sara Ali Khan? What all movies do you have lined up after Atrangi Re?
But after Atrangi, and of course, if you guys like me and appreciate me and accept me, then I'll get more opportunities. But having played a character like Rinku under a filmmaker like Anand L. Rai, I am greedy now to be part of films where there are layers, where there are nuances, where there's meat, where there's honesty, where there's hard work, and where there's so much love. That's what I really want for myself.
We are on the verge of wrapping up 2021. What message do you want to give your fans, your followers, your audience for the next year that is coming?
Honestly, I will just say that COVID has taught us that don't take life for granted. As somebody that loves acting so much, in the past 2 years, I haven't done half as much of it as I would want to, because we've been in lockdown. तो जब भी आपको ये मौका मिल रहा है, चाहे आप किसी संवाददाता के साथ खड़े इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो, चाहे आपका एडी क्लैप कर रहा है और आप वर्ड एक्शन सुन रहे हो, ये जो चीज़ें हम चाहते हैं और जो चीज़ें हमें अच्छी लगती हैं, ग्रांटेड के लिए मत लो, क्योंकि कल किसी ने नहीं देखा है. और इन 2 सालों में ये चीज़ हमने सिर्फ समझी नहीं है, पर बहुत गहराई से महसूस भी की है.
On that note, thank you so much for joining us, and all the best for your film.
Thank you. Please do watch my film Atrangi Re, coming on Hotstar on the 24th of December, and I hope you will have a merry, merry Christmas. Thank you.